This video is about getting rid of the pop-up windows that are related to the website appshroomistor.com. appshroomistor.com. So what this is a serious browser redirection issue. Some people may unexpectedly notice these pop-ups that will try to then forward them to a lot of other deceptive pages in the internet. If you see these pop-ups by appshroomistor.com, then obviously there is some certain adware type application currently enabled in your computer. This could be some program, or it could be certain unwanted browser extension that may result in such a suspicious behavior of your browser. There are many adware type apps that try to hijack the browser in order to redirect your attention to a lot of other deceptive pages in the internet. Speaking about this site, appshroomistor.com, it may forward you to a lot of other questionable content that may infect your system with adware, with other variants of unwanted applications like browser hijackers, and so on. So you may start experiencing a lot of problems because of that. First thing I recommend you to do is to check the list of your available applications. And if you detect some suspicious items here on this list, get rid of them immediately. Also, consider checking your browser extensions and delete those extensions that are not familiar to you. Finally, I would also recommend you to additionally check the safety of your computer with the help of a program called Combo Cleaner, because there are times that some adware is concealed deep in the system and you cannot establish where exactly it is. So go to the page combocleaner.com, select the preferred operating system, and then after the program is downloaded and installed, begin scanning your computer with its help to make sure that it is free of any other malware or adware traces. So click on Start Combo Scan and begin the research of your system. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and at the end of scan you can see the full summary of all threads that were found on your Mac computer during the scan. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. This shows you the full number of threats, but when you click on Review Results, you can see the names of these threats and their detection by the majority of security programs. And what's more important is that you may get the exact location of each specific threat. So you may go to this location of threat on your Mac computer and get rid of this threat one at a time, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of Combo Cleaner in order to get your Mac fully protected against all further possible threats, adware, browser hijackers, and other sorts of malware from attacking your Mac computer.